Hello everybody! Today's the day when my seats are going to be able to swivel around. I'm so excited. So I'm giving my van a spring clean at the same time because it's a really good excuse to do that. And what I'm doing is I've actually took the front of my foot pads out and I'm hoovering them like this. What a great idea. Well, I was always trying to clean them from the inside with a little hoover instead of just bringing the whole piece of carpet in and just hoover it. So now I want to give the foot pads a little scrub. So yeah, I'm going to spring clean my van. These are quite dirty. A good freshen up. Dirty. Obviously it's a foot panel, so it's going to be dirty. Look at that, comes up beautiful. Lovely. Okay, so I'm giving my van a really good clean out because when these seats come out, I'll be able to get into the floor. Give it a really good deep clean. It doesn't get very dirty, to be honest. Love it. I love cleaning it. Okay, I think that's about it for the dashboard. Yep, spick and span. So these two seats here are going to turn around into the back. So that's going to have a little sofa there. How amazing is that going to be? So the first job is to get the seats out. So just to unscrew the seats so that they come out. Obviously you can see it's not me doing this. It's exciting. What was that? Okay, so the seats are lifted out now. Time just to clean underneath. And looks like I found 10 pence. So next you have to cut out the rubber that is underneath the seat with a Stanley knife because the surface that the plate is going to sit on needs to be really flat. So the instructions didn't say to take these little pieces out here, but the plate wouldn't sit down on them with just this bit taken out, so those little bits had to come out. And this is the plate that the seat is going to sit on and be able to turn on. So the bottom part of the plate attaches itself to the van where the old screws were in place for the seat, and then the seat is attached to the top part of the plate, which will then enable the seat to turn around. So this is a custom made piece of equipment from a company which I will place the link in down below, but it's called a rotabase double seat swivel, and it's for a Ford Transit van. Genius, really, absolutely genius. So you can see that you just line it up, and because it's made to measure, the screws will just go in with the existing screws that you had, and then these turning knobs lock the swivel part of it in place, so to stop it turning when the van's moving. And then when they're released, then obviously you can move that top plate around. So the next thing really to do is to just get it fixed down into the base of the van, and then get the seats fitted onto the top plate, and then that's it really. Actually it's providing the surface of the van is nice and flat, then the whole process of this is quite straightforward. So it had to come back off again because it wasn't completely flat, and some more of the foam padding underneath had to be cut away. It is essential for it to have like a nice clear space underneath. So the final thing left to do is to place the seats back on top of the plate and secure it with the bolts. It's amazing how big the campervan feels with it. It's like I've got all this leg room. I'm sitting facing in, and it literally has made my van feel enormous. The only thing is, I've had to lose the privacy screen which I had running across because it's just getting in the way of these seats. So they're gonna have to come down really, and I'm just gonna have to find a new way, and it's probably gonna be the windscreen. you know, the pads that you put in the windscreen. Or if anybody has any amazing ideas, then just let me know. So, how amazing is that? It's just unbelievable. I mean, I was thinking I could lay across and make a single bed, but that's just not going to be a thing at all. So, my privacy screen has gone. And now this is my space. It's unreal. I've just got so much space now. So when I sit on here, oh my God, I could put my feet up and everything. Oh, it's amazing. I feel like I'm so far away from the bed as well. I absolutely love it. So there you have it. I've now got a lounge area in my van. I'm going to get some new seat covers and I might make it look a little, I don't know. I don't think I can make it look prettier down here because the device, you know, it needs to be left free. I love it. So I'm going to turn it around now, put it back in its place. See if I can let you see that happening. It's not easy with this video camera. You kind of like jig it around to get it back in place. Come on. It's easy once you actually get it moving. And then you have to get these into position so that you can lock them down. And you can tell when they're in place because they'll sit round. That one's in. That one's in, that one's in. I've got 2 pins that also go in. Keep the footboard in place like that. Great design, I love it. Love, 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 love it. And there you have it, my seat is back facing the other way. Easy as that. Like it, like it. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm so excited. Oh, so I need to buy some more things now. So yeah, I need to get a screen for the windscreen. I want some new seat covers. I think what I need is like a temporary screen. I don't know. If you've got any ideas about, you know, what to put across there for some of you that, you know, have already done this kind of thing, please share it with me, because I love spending money on my van. It's my favorite thing to do ever. So there it is. Can you see it? Turn back around. I'm just going to fasten the front ones. Very, very easy actually. I love it. So let's just get some adventures underway now. I've got all of this wonderful space. It's very exciting. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I really appreciate the subscribers on my channel, so please subscribe and click the bell to get notifications. I'm going to try and video a little bit more when I start going out on some adventures. So take care. Bye bye.